What are some unpleasant things that may happen in a relationship because of a large age gap? The young one might, be like, oh, like I want a younger now. So, okay, that's what she said.
Generation today, it's more different like the oldest before.
Do you feel the older partner should be concerned about commitment issues since she's a lot younger? What are some unpleasant things that may happen in a relationship because of a large age gap?
Their perspective po ata.
What do you mean their perspective?
The way they think
Mhm.
and the way they handle things po.
Do you feel the older partner should be concerned or should yeah uh be concerned about commitment issues since she is a lot younger?
Yes, yes.
Why do you think so?
Because nauubusan po akong English because
Her English is done, she said. Do you know anyone who's in a relationship and they have a very large age gap?
mm, my mom and my dad.
Oh, okay. How old is your mama?
Ning 45 I think and my dad is 30 something.
Like 10 years age gap, like
Yes,
that.
yes, yes.
Okay. Would you date much older guy?
Maybe in the future, but I think no. Pero it depends.
What are some unpleasant things that may happen in a relationship because of a large age gap?
I think some of the unpleasant things that may happen over age gap is first of all is career because some of us may have conflict about our career.
You mean like the younger one, he or she's probably like wanting to, have a good career, do things, right? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Aside from career, what else?
I think communication
Mhm.
because of our age gap.
Do you feel the older partner should be concerned about commitment issues since she's a lot younger?
Definitely yes.
What are some unpleasant things that may happen in a relationship because of a large age gap?
For me, most basically, the problem with that is the decision making. Probably, for the things that a girl want to do, um, and it's opposite from the guy that he want for her to be because the girl is most more younger. So the guy should be what do you call of that be more adjustable because the generation today it's more different like the oldest before.
Like what are we now?
um we are in a generations with basically like the older one is we are so very conservative, like today it's more very
Open-minded.
open-minded and showy to in everything.
Do you feel the older partner should be concerned about commitment issues since she's a lot younger?
uh Maybe, but it's for him, yeah, he must explain it to her partner, especially because most of the time the guy, the one who will adjust.
How old are you po, ma'am, if you don't mind?
I'm 31 years old.
31 years old. And may we know what's your job? Just
I'm banquet and reservation at the hotel.
wow, that's really cool. What are some unpleasant things that may happen in a relationship because of a large age gap?
Para sa akin yung side ng mali is para sa mga tao na din yun. Depende sa kung ano
The judgment of the people around them, the society, the judgment of the society about this couple because of the large age gap.
Siguro sa pagtitiwala po ba?
The trust. Okay, what's in the trust?
Kasi siguro kung sa pagtitiwala yung mas bata
gusto din ng mas bata. Paano yung mas ano?
So, the unpleasant things that may happen is that the younger one might want a younger one, like the same age with her or with him, like that.
Okay. Ano, malayo po ba?
Oh, especially if they are in a long distance relationship. The young one might, be like, oh, like I want a younger now. So, okay, that's what she said. Do you feel the older partner should be concerned about commitment issues since she is a lot younger? Yes or no?
Yes, of course.
Why do you think it is yes?
Because she's an older. I mean, she's a young.
She's younger.
Girl.
A lot younger. That's why he has to be concerned about it.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, we got like a real Filipinas here. They don't really talk English that much. Okay, where are you from? From Naga?
Buhi po.
Buhi! So it's far from here.
Mm-mm.
Far from here. They're from Buhi. That's Albay, right? No, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Okay, still Sur. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Be. Really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earned your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, everyone. Bye-bye!
Beautiful reflections